Good morning, my name's John from Hick Sadley Estate Agents. I'm here at 81 Chelford Crescent in King Swinford. Show this lovely property we've got on the market. So coming in through the front door now into the porch. So it is a nice sized porch, as you can see. Just pan up and down and walk on into the hallway. So into the hallway, looking straight ahead of me, we've got the stairs on the right hand side. Plenty of storage under the stairs left open, as you can see there. And if I turn to the left hand side, we're going to go into the kitchen. So kitchen, well equipped, obviously with lots of storage space there. Extractor chimney, obviously got space for a cooker there. Right in front of me as well, you do have that door there, that obscure double glazed door, letting you through lots of light, but also giving access to the side of the property there, and more worktop space on this side here. So plenty to be said about how nice the kitchen is. So I want to carry on, turn around to the left hand side, going into the back reception room here. So once again, nice sized room, very well presented. If I have a stand in this corner, again you can see nice sized room here, no upward chain. We'll have a stand just by the patio doors at the back and look out, because you have a very pleasant aspect at the rear. As well as a nice, easy to maintain garden as well. Nice sitting area just on the right hand side there. So I'm going to carry on back through the house to the front and just go up the stairs onto the landing. So we have the landing just here. Obviously we've got the loft hatch above me. If I turn to the right hand side here, we have bedroom 3. I'll walk through, give you an elevated view of the rear of the property. There we go, so nice aspect. There we go, looking back from this direction here. Turning to my right, for bedroom 2. Once again, decent sized bedroom. There we go, you should have shot out the window. I'll walk back again. Storage cupboard in front of me. Right hand side, we have the bathroom. There we go. Nice and clean and well presented. Big window there, offering lots of light again from the side. Turning back round and to the right, last but not least, obviously, bedroom 1. So left hand side there, you've got all those fitted wardrobes. Big bedroom. Hopefully that comes across there. And I'll just give you more of an idea from the front. There we go. So nicely tucked away, you know, in this little road here on Chelford Crescent. So nicely positioned, nice sized room. So if this one's ticked your boxes, give us a call. 0121 585 666 7.